I just asked.
Yeah.
What mushroom?
You just asked.
I was walking around.
You don't listen.
Well, pay attention, okay? What does that have to do with what I'm saying? Or you just like to hear yourself?
Okay, talk. What?
Good morning, Philippines!
Hi guys! Good morning! Good morning po sa inyong lahat dyan, guys. Today is, anong araw ngayon? Ito yung problema, guys. Hindi natin alam kung ano ng mga araw-araw ngayon. Hindi ko na maalala. Anyway, guys, so punta lang kami sa grocery. We don't really need to go to grocery, guys. Pero si Tammy, gusto niyang bumili ng vinegar, water, ano pa ba? And lemon. So, yun yung gusto niya bilhin. So, hopefully, yun lang yung bibilihin talaga niya kasi hindi ko alam. Marami na kami pagkain dito. So, while waiting for him, inon ko lang si Inday Garotay and then i-off ko yun later. Nagtataka na si Inday Garotay kasi merong bed sa ano. Hindi ko yan kukunin yung bed muna kasi sometimes gusto namin mag-relax, higa-higa dito, nood ng TV kasi all the time talaga yung ano, tawag nito yung news, pinapanood namin. But anyway guys, I will see you later. So, tignan natin kung ano talagang bilhin ni Tammy. And yun lang yung plano namin talaga bilhin. So, sabi ko sa kanya, mag-ingat din. So, magsuot na siya ng gloves kasi yung ShopRite na pupuntahan namin sa area na hindi sa town dito, sa ibang town, may nagkasakit na doon. So, sabi ko kay Tammy, mag-ingat and then bilis-bilis labas, magsuot ng gloves. And wala kaming mask, guys. Marami sa inyong nagtatanong kung bakit hindi kami nagsusuot-suot ng mask. Wala na kaming mabiling mask. Honestly, wala na kaming mabili na mask. And then, I don't know, hindi ko rin alam kung paano gawin. Pero may mask si Tammy. Nung pumunta siya sa doktor, binigyan siya ng isa. So, I think magagamit pa niya yun sa... Okay, guys. So, we are going to the grocery. Because my husband cannot live without going to the grocery.
Well, we need vinegar.
So what are you getting?
Fresh lemon juice, vinegar, garlic, so I can make a nice sauce. And we need water.
You got sauce.
Garlic, so I can make a sauce. Really not paying attention. Play that back. You could, because you're always saying, no, that's what you said.
So, you're not gonna... Oh, like this. No, honey, huh?
Yeah, no. So I said a little bit on water. Like, they let me get 2-gallon bottles the other day. And if they don't have 2-gallon bottles and they only get little bottles, they only let you get 2 of those. Which is retarded.
Go shop and stop and shop.
Well, I'm saying, you want to go to Odd Job first?
Go to Stop and Shop first. Because if Stop and Shop tells you to do limit, they will do it limit until...
Well, they're going to do a limit.
So after that, we go to Big Lots.
And you didn't have to drive, huh? You could have stayed home. Like, the original plan was I was going to go and you were going to stay home. You planned to go and then you'd be out.
Because I cannot trust you with this grocery thing.
You can't trust me if you're sitting in the car either. So what does that help? How does that help exactly? It's the police right outside of it.
Where? Oh, behind me?
They're coming out of the driveway. Yeah, behind you now.
Well, do I like speeding?
No, but I'm saying watch careful because he's behind you all the way, so he can just...
We'll see. I really want Tommy to listen, guys, because he just don't get it.
Not looking for food, not looking for frozen food, not looking for... What, you want vegetables?
No, we just have vegetables.
I'm asking
What
you.
the heck?
I just asked.
We have vegetables.
I just asked.
Yeah.
What mushrooms?
You just asked. He's wearing gloves, guys. This glove is not even... At least there is a glove.
That's something.
Yeah. Just don't kulikot your ear, huh? Well, you have gloves. Okay, what you need to get, that's it, okay? Oh! Get egg. The egg that I like. The
Brown eggs?
farm fresh. Brown egg, farm fresh. Okay, I add one. Anyway, guys, so we wait for him over here. Some people doesn't wear gloves. Some people wear gloves and mask. We always forget bags. We always forget na kailangan palang magdala ng bags kasi wala na silang mga cellophane dito. But anyway, I will see you later kung ano yung mga binibili ni Mr. Okay? Kung makikinig ba yun. Okay guys, Tommy is here and obviously he doesn't listen. Anyway, he is here, so we're gonna ask him what he did, what he got. This guy is laughing at us because I yelled at Tommy, and then he said, I only got 4 things. And I said, whatever. And then this guy is laughing. And then we're gonna give him some sanitizer. So this sanitizer is very little left. I guess I have to put the hand sanitizer here. Additional hard head.
Put the gloves away. What's the point? If they get something on them and you bring them the card anyway.
So what did you get?
Alright, here's what I did.
Yeah.
Well, I couldn't find the lemon juice, so I was walking around.
You don't listen.
Well, pay attention, okay? They had the little turkeys.
Oh my God.
So for the animals, so I got 2 of those and 1 little ham. The little clementines.
Whatever, hun.
What? I'm telling you where I went off. I got English muffins.
Yeah.
And a mayonnaise. That's it. Everything else was what I was supposed to get. Hun, that was very good, hun. For me, that's really good.
Yeah, you're so proud, and that guy's laughing at you. Shit.
Well, because he says, "Oh, you did like me?" I said, "Oh, yeah, but only a little bit." I said, "I'm trying to behave." He started laughing.
Why? That's what he said.
Because he does the same thing. He says,
You got water?
I got 2 things of water.
Okay, we're good. We're going home. Or you want Big Lots?
The ShopRite brand water. Well, we could go to Big Lots and get 2 more and be done.
We're going home.
They had no big vinegar. I just get 2
We're going home.
2 little red wine vinegars.
We're going home.
What the hell does that have to do with what I'm saying? Or you just like to hear yourself?
Talk. What did you get from vinegar now? It's like, what the heck?
They didn't have any apple cider vinegar at all. And they had no big bottles. They only had distilled clear white vinegar. So I just got 2 little bottles of red vinegar. That was it. I only went off by 4 things.
Yeah.
He's like, "Oh, you're doing like me." He goes, "You go in for 4 things, you come up with a whole cartload." I say, "Yeah, usually, but I'm trying to behave now."
I hear. Hi guys. So my husband cannot really.
Come on, this is really good for me.
Really good.
It's not really. Seriously, you don't
That
think
means if it's really good,
Next
you
time I
listen.
won't show myself then.
No. The good thing is the only good is the one that we came here for what we need to get. Not just like, oh.
I know, but they never have that. They never have the little turkeys, like the little ham.
Yeah.
They never have them. And they had them. I said, "Oh shit, I gotta get those for the cats and dogs, because that's good turkey, not like the cold cut where you get on sale and it's crappy turkey."
You get the egg.
Eggs. I forgot the eggs.
There you go. I want
Okay.
you to get something.
Go back now.
No, I'm good. We're good. We have eggs.
I going back and forth across the store 3 times looking
No.
for lemon juice.
But
It's like you don't know for nothing. You think they could mark these aisles or something? They don't even mark the aisle with water in it. You know how long it took me to find water?
Tignan nyo guys, ang daming binili. Daming binili. Tignan nyo. What the heck? Okay, I'll get this water. Go.
I'll get the water. You take it back.
Go over there. Why you guys acting like you're hungry? Because you feed us very little, Mama. The bug's over there too.
He's a leader of the pack.
Leader of the pack.
He really is.
Look at him, guys.
They count on him to get the food.
Look at him, guys. He's right here, sitting on the chair. Dada's always like giving them something. So Tommy got me this buffalo wing sauce. So what is this? I can just kind of smear this. I like a crispy buffalo wings. So I guess I'm gonna get now the drumstick. We have drumstick downstairs. So ipakita ko sa inyo guys, hindi ko pa ito alam kung paano siya lutuin, pero let's see, sabi pa kailangan dry yung skin. Kailangan mo siyang as in dry. So I don't know. I'm gonna go get him. So guys, ito yung chicken jumbo. I don't know how you call that.
Drumsticks.
Drumstick.
Jumbo.
This is what Tommy got me. Hopefully this is taste good. Taste the same. Pero nilagyan ko siya. Ito nilagay ko is garlic and onion powder. Nilagyan ko siya. Ipakita ko sa inyo mamaya ha. Hindi nyo makikita. So, nilagyan ko ng pepper.
Yeah, that's too thick. You're not making it fine enough. Why don't you just use the black pepper?
I like this. I can make it fine. Look. You're going out? Where are you planning to go?
What do you figure?
Huh?
What do you think?
You just came in from smoking.
Yeah.
And then guys, nilagyan ko ng cayenne, look. cayenne ito. Para extra spicy. Vegetable oil. Lagyan natin siya ng vegetable oil. Tablespoon. So, vegetable oil. Ito yan siya. And, nilagyan natin ng onion and garlic powder. And, of course, baking powder. And cayenne, pepper, and salt. And also, yung cayenne, guys, is, ano lang ito, guys. Kung gusto mo talaga ng sobrang spicy, tignan yun. Marami yung nilagay ko. And, kasi sabi daw, lagyan ng salt. So, lagyan natin ng salt. Hindi marami kasi, alam nyo naman yung asawa ko. We mixed it. I'm going to use my hand. Kailangan daw, sabi pa sa ano, may tinitignan ako. Kailangan daw, ano siya, i-mix mo lang siya ng maigi, guys. Ikot ko lang, oh my God, ang laki ng cellophane. Ikot ko lang ito ng maigi. And then, 400 degree, or 1 hour. Yeah, like 1 hour, 45 minutes to 1 hour. Ibibake mo siya. I-flip mo siya halfway. And, ito siya. And then, ano ko lang siya, pabayaan ko lang siya dyan. And then, iligay ko siya sa refrigerator. Ilagay ko siya sa refrigerator para mag-ano talaga siya yung lasa ng season ko. Si Tami, nagluto din nag-season din siya ng thighs. Simple lang, yung talagang yung simpleng season lang niya. Soak talaga siya. And then, this is Tami's favorite chicken. This is how he season it all the time, right? Are you making,
I make a sauce.
Why you're making a sauce?
Pasta sauce.
Okay, now, just leave it aside. I will use it later for baking the chicken. You know what, guys? I've been coughing and I don't like, ayaw ko itong naramdaman ko, guys. Ubo ako ng ubo. And then yung ulo ko is iba yung klaseng sakit. Hindi ko alam. So, naisip ko, ito talagang si Tami talaga. Palagi kaming lumalabas, mag-grocery kahit meron na kami. Makahanap talaga kami ng sakit. Ngayon, gumagawa siya ng sauce, look. Iwan ko, oh God. Iba yung pakiramdam ko. But anyway, guys, mamaya na ako magluto ng chicken. Nagmarinate pa lang siya doon. So, nag-i-edit lang ako and then, na-busy sa edit and tapos na. So, nag-download, nag-upload na siya. And, ito na yung chicken. Ginon ko lang siya, guys. Usually, yung mga nakikita ko sa YouTube is yung wire. Parang wire yung ano nila lagyan para talaga maano siya, para equal yung pagkaluto niya, para basta yun, para yun. Pero dito ko siya nilagay and then mag-drip lang yung oil niya. Ilagay lang natin siya sa oven, yun dyan mamaya. And then itong ano ni Tami dito pa rin, kanina pa yan nagluluto kasi yung sauce kasi masarap yan siya kapag ano talaga matagal yung boil. And then ito daw i-grill daw ito ni Tami. Ito na siya, guys. Hindi pa talaga yan luto. So, ngayon, dahil, i-flip natin siya para maging equal. Equal large. Oopsie. Ano na lang siya, guys. 30 minutes more to go. Ano natin siya. Lutong-lutuin natin siya. Parang ipa-brown talaga natin siya, guys. Ba, i-brown. Si Tami, nangapit bahay na naman. Sus, ginoo ko. Mahilig magkapit bahay kapag may mga sakit yung mga tao or kami. Takod-takod lagi. Mahilig mga pitbahay. Kung ano pa to, kung ulitaw pa to, kung hindi pa, wala pa tong asawa, marami na itong girlfriend. Maraming girlfriend. Malay natin, marami siyang girlfriend, di ba? Hindi natin alam.
And my wife making her buffalo legs. Not my buffalo wings. She wants buffalo legs.
It's more meat. Well, this is what we have, so I'm not taking this out, guys. I'm just gonna do this, flip it over, and then cook it again for like
well, what you do is coat it, then put it back in, let it harden. You know, let the sauce like get a little good, then flip it over.
Yeah. So, yun siya, guys. Yun. And then, ang gagawin ko is Ibalik ko lang siya ulit doon and then let it cook for like 15 minutes. Pinabayaan ko lang siya over an hour kasi gusto ko talaga siyang as in yung luto. Kaya over an hour mga... Depende na sa inyo kung gusto niyo yung mag-crunchy, mag-brown, yun. We're going to eat soon. And... I just want the dish.
I know that delicate Philippine palate, you might not be able to handle that one.
Huh?
That delicate Philippine palate, you might not be able to handle a real hot sauce, so I got the regular hot sauce.
You're right. That is different. Oh my god, spicy. Let me see the pasta. Tammy's pasta. What do you think?
Okay.
Hmm? It's good, huh?
You want water?
You made this, it's good. He made his meatballs the other day. It's good, big boy.
Oh, there's more in there.
Let me try the chicken first. It's freaking hot.
You have a water now?
I have water. It's right there, oh. It's spicy, but it's different. It's different from Buffalo. Like a spice, there's a lot of sauce. While it's hot, I'm going to do this. Like what they sell.
You might want to try a couple of them.
Okay. I'm gonna add more. Tommy said no. This is spicy, and it's very spicy because I add another spicy cayenne before.
And I put crushed pepper in the sauce. So.
Huh?
The sauce should be a little bite to it. I put crushed pepper in there.
It's good, but there is another instruction of cooking this, guys. You have to fry the wings or these legs. You fry, okay? Fry to crunch it, and then after that you take it out from the oil, and then you bake it. You coat this with the sauce, and then you put it in the oven for 10 to 12 minutes, and yeah, and then that's how you get a crunchiness. But this one is not crunchy on, but it's good, guys. That sauce is tasty, and it's just doesn't soak right. You know what I like? Spicy, that it's tasty, spicy. Tabasco is good, and this is really tastes like the one that you get in the store. This sauce, the same taste. It's just I just don't know how to make it. Okay. I have to bury it with this sauce, like like bury it. If you really want like spicy, bury it after you're frying it. Of course, you season the chicken first before frying it, and then marinate it to make it tasty also. Hi, Han. Who's with you?
Hey guys, same truth that's always with me.
So, okay guys, let's go to the bathroom. Blow dry my hair, because I just finished my showery. Hi guys, katatapos ko lang mag-shower, so blow dry tayo ng buhok. Blow dry ng buhok. Ito yung pinakaayaw ko is yung magpunit ako ng buhok sa floor. Kasi ang daming na huhulog at ayaw ko naman yung dami ng buhok na itim na sobrang taas dito sa floor. Pinakaayaw ko. So, hindi man natin maiwasan na may buhok, pero kailangan kunin yung kapag sobrang daming natatalak talaga. Yung mata ko ay sobrang pula kasi sa kakalaro, sa kaka-edit. And then ligo agad. Anyway, tulog na si Tommy. I'm going to end the vlog.
Oh, no, you can't. Your career is far too important.
Behind every great man is a nagging woman who won't let him have any fun. Am I right, Larry? Don't I know it? Well, good night, son. Good night, wife. Oh, good night, honey.
Good night.
I love you.
It's a weird combination of pajamas.
Yeah. I'm gonna end the vlog. He's sleeping, he's tired. And we're gonna end the vlog. Bye guys.
Hi guys.
See you tomorrow. We don't do nothing. We just eat and cook. That's it. Tomorrow, hopefully tomorrow it's gonna be nice. Tammy said it's 61 degree, pero it's gonna be raining in the morning. So, okay lang yan. Hopefully in the afternoon. Walang ulan. So, meron silang light sa labas. Yan, meron silang light. But anyway, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope I will see you tomorrow. Bye. Good night. Good night.